Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Page and Pronunciation. I hope you are doing well and learning well. So, in fact, while describing things, मैं साथ साथ में हिंदी में भी उसको उसका जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन है उसको मैं लिखता जा रहा हूँ हिंदी में सो दैट क्योंकि हिंदी वैज्ञानिक भाषा ये तो मानना पड़ेगा हमें कि हिंदी एक वैज्ञानिक भाषा है जिसमें जो बोलते हैं वही वही लिखते हैं वही पढ़ते हैं, तो उसमें कोई डिफरेंसेस नहीं है. इंग्लिश में ऐसा नहीं है, बोलते कुछ और है, कुछ वर्ड्स कुछ लेटर्स साइलेंट होते हैं जो नहीं बोले जाते हैं, तो और कुछ का जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन वो टोटली चेंज होता है स्पेलिंग के एकदम उलट. सो वील हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट. सो इसीलिए हिंदी में लिख देता हूं मैं उसे सो दैट यू कैन relate to the correct pronunciation, and that's the idea all about. The first one that I've taken today is this is dessert. This is dessert. Dessert. This is not desert. Desert is totally different. Desert मरुस्थल को बोलते हैं desert. तो अगर desert होता तो स्पेलिंग एक s नहीं होता इसमें, बट क्योंकि इसमें एक s और है, this is dessert. So the sweet that we have after the meals, that's known as dessert. We all know it. So I'll use it in a sentence that sweets go superb, or the desserts go superb after the meals. Dessert. The next word today is this is encourage. This is encourage. Encourage. Mostly जो ES से start होते हैं words वो in करके बोलेंगे उसे. Encourage. This is not encourage. So a good teacher will always encourage his students for betterment. Encourage. The third word today is this is endeavor. In British pronunciation it will be endeavor, endeavor, and in American pronunciation it will be endeavor. Be it verb or noun, the pronunciation will remain the same. British will say endeavor and Americans will say endeavor. So in an endeavor to fight the current pandemic, the government of India is planning to vaccinate maximum people so that we get rid of this problem soon. Endeavor. The next word today is this is lingerie. In British pronunciation it will be lingerie, lingerie, and in American pronunciation it will be lingerie, lingerie. So that's the difference, lingerie and lingerie. There is not lingerie at all. Right. And the last word today to learn is when this is verb, this will be pronounced as resume. When this is verb, this will be pronounced as resume. Resume. So when it's verb, both the Americans and the British will say, I will resume to work after the long leaves. I will resume to work on Monday after the long leaves. Resume. And when it's noun, there will be an apostrophe on this, and this will become resume. So when it's noun, we'll pronounce it as resume. Resume. So we'll say both the British and the American pronunciation. We will say that I have sent my resume for a job opportunity. Resume. So these are the words that we've taken today. I hope it'll be of great help to you all to learn them well and learn the correct pronunciation. Thank you for being with me. Thanks for your time.